10 must-know phrasal verbs to sound confident in English. Hello and welcome. Today we're going to learn 10 must-know phrasal verbs that will help you sound more natural and confident in English. These simple but powerful expressions are used every day by native speakers, whether they're giving advice, solving problems, or just chatting with friends. Now it's your turn to use them too. Let's get started and boost your English skills. 1. Look out, meaning to be careful or watch for something dangerous. Example, look out, a car is coming really fast, step back. 2. Stay out, meaning to not enter or avoid a place. Example, please stay out of the kitchen while the food is cooking. 3. Point out, meaning to show or mention something important. Example, I want to point out that the meeting starts at 3 p.m., not 2. 4. Work out, meaning to solve a problem or exercise to stay healthy. Example 1. We need to work out how to fix the internet. Example 2. I work out every morning to stay fit. 5. Wear out, meaning to become damaged or unusable from use. Example, my shoes wore out after walking every day for a year. 6. Rule out, meaning to eliminate or exclude something as a possibility. Example, we ruled out working on Saturday because most of the team wasn't available. 7. Stand out, meaning to be easy to see or be special. Example, her bright red dress made her stand out in the crowd. 8. Find out, meaning to discover or learn something. Example, she found out the truth by carefully listening to every word he said. 9. Give out, meaning to hand out something or stop working. Example 1. The volunteers gave out food and water to the people after the storm. Example 2. My phone battery gave out after a long day. 10. Get out, meaning to leave a place quickly. Example, it's getting late, let's get out of the office and go home. By using these phrasal verbs, you will speak English more confidently and naturally. Keep learning a little every day, and soon they will feel natural to use. Confidence comes with practice, so keep going, believe in yourself, and enjoy the journey. Thank you.